on YouTube? You're watching Next Gen Speed. Today we have another video for you guys by the 2016 and up Chevy Camaro. Now these are some new parts we got for the Camaro, which are some LED smoked side markers. And these are actually not like any other side markers right here. These are our new smoked Next Gen Speed dual LED side markers. So they're pretty much the same deal as before, which have a smoked lens on the outside with the laser LED strip in the middle. But these ones include a dual LED strip, which includes two LED strips for a nice design that's different from the rest. It just brings something new for the Camaro market for the side marker options that we have available. As you guys know, the Helix side markers, these are kind of similar to those with a dual LED style. But these are kind of different as these have a smoked lens and a different LED setup, but they're pretty much similar. So, about to head out to the Camaro outside and get her started up real quick, see how she sounds, because it's been a minute since I started her. About to get these installed and see how it looks. So let's head out. Busy the last couple of weeks, got a bunch of taillights and stuff I got to ship out, but grab the keys to the Camaro, get started up. It's got some new carbon fiber key fobs for the Camaro and some Chevy vehicles, which is pretty cool. Nice carbon fiber look on it with the chrome surround. And there she is. It's been about a month since I started her, so let's get a nice cold start for you guys. Just pull her out real quick. That sound. And as you can see right here, these are the original LED side markers we have available for the 2016 and up Chevy Camaro, including one laser LED. But these new ones will have two of them on the side, giving it a nice distinct look, different from the rest. So hear how she sounds and get them installed. Spec-d smoke taillights installed. It's pretty cool. Also look badass, guys. These taillights are something else. Like different from everything else on the market and just have their own unique design and own sequential function that's different from the rest, which is pretty cool. And these are actually officially in stock right now from this time this video is posted, so make sure to check us out if you guys need these. These have been out of stock for the past couple of months, since at least November, so happy to have these back. Glass back louvers installed also. Definitely missed her. And sucked the entire winter. Just been driving my beater car the whole winter. Haven't driven this at all, probably one time, and just feels amazing to be back inside of here, guys, like a cockpit. Just feels perfect inside here, guys. Definitely miss it. Got some new carbon fiber pieces installed too, which is pretty cool. Let's take her out of the garage. One more. Sounds amazing, guys. I'm gonna warm up for a second. Just get all the fluids going good. Let's take a look how she looks for right now. Pretty much, I just added the gloss black louver since last time. That's pretty much been it. Made a video about the side skirts, about interior stuff, so. Had the Toyos on, ready for the summer. Might need some new ones soon because they do burn out pretty quick. And I got the new taillights, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But let's get these side markers installed, guys. These is how they look like, the original ones, without the light on. As you can see, our new style is a little bit more darker with a smoke tint. That will not show the LEDs, which is pretty cool. Alright guys, now to get these installed, you obviously need the side markers themselves. You're going to need a TT15 small Torx bit. And please correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm not sure if it's a TT15, but it's a smaller one, because mine are kind of mixed up. You're going to need one of those. Also going to need a short ratchet extension. You're going to need to turn your wheels in one way, just to give it easy access to the bolts. Just guys give you a little comparison of how these look compared to each other. Show you guys the difference. Kind of dusty, but just gonna grab another one. Peel off its protective tape. And as you can see right there, these are completely darker, a little bit more smoked, and these feature the dual LED style. So it looks just like that. I think it's gonna look pretty damn good. Let's take out that clear from the middle and then have 2 LEDs in there. It'll be pretty badass, guys. So let's get this installed. So you just want to look inside the wheel well, and you'll see on the front, torque spot right there, torque screw. You just want to take that one out on each side, just to give it access to the side markers. So gonna get those taken out real quick. And this is a very easy install. I'd say about a 2 out of 10. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is turn the wheels in, take a couple bolts out, and swap them out. And honestly, if anybody charges you to do this, do not pay them, because if any local customers want to get these, we will install these for you for free. So show you guys how to do this real quick. Simply righty tighty lefty loosey and take them out. What in the hell, cat? So this ratchet is pretty much fucked, guys. Gonna need to get another one. All right, so we got the snap-on bad boy. Should have no issues with that. And just simply remove this bolt. Righty tighty lefty loosey, guys. Nice and easy. Pull this bolt out. Pull back this carpet piece, fender flare piece. And then you just want to look inside the hole. If you see inside there, you see that little black clip right there. You just want to take your finger, go from the top of the clip, push down on it just like that. You start feeling it go back out. And once you feel that, you just want to put pressure down and then back. And it'll pop out just like that, guys. You guys better look at that. Simply just put your finger down and then pop it out. And in the bottom, you can see that without taking any bolts out. See that clip right there? So I'm gonna take your finger, push up, and it'll simply just pop out. Just like that, guys. So then you just want to take out this plug. Actually, you just twist this counterclockwise, and it'll just pop out with the entire light twist, and then pop out. And then with this piece inside of here, you just want to unplug it just like this. And you just want to take out your new side marker. Make sure it's lined up right. Make sure it's for the correct side. You want to take the connector piece right inside of here, and then slide it right inside of there, guys. It simply plugs in just like that. You just want to go back in, put pressure on the top and the bottom. Until you hear the click. And we're good to go, guys. So let's see how she looks so far. Oh, that looks awesome, guys. Check out that dual LED style. Definitely looks much better than the original ones, honestly.
Hey man, that sounds pretty good.
Something different. Now let's get the other sides installed. But as you guys can see though, these look honestly amazing. The fitment is absolutely perfect. There's no edges or gaps popping out, nothing like that. Look perfectly fine. Even the LEDs are nice and bright in the daytime, and they will be especially bright in the nighttime. And honestly, I love them, guys. Something new. Love adding new stuff to my car. And just so you know, these will be on sale until the end of February, so make sure to grab these before that sale ends, guys. But yeah, guys, we got the new side markers installed. Fresh release from nextgenspeed.com. Link will be in the description below if you guys want to get these or any other Camaro parts or any other vehicle. We have a lot of stuff releases soon though. Got a bunch of new cars coming in that we're going to be doing some parts on, some customization parts too, from interior to exterior parts. So I'm excited for that, guys. Got a lot of plans for Next Gen Speed, and we're actually just getting started, guys. So stay tuned, man. I'm very excited. Actually got a location I'm thinking about closing on soon. Got a lot of plans, a lot of things I want to do, but just a lot of credit stuff going on, especially buying cars and stuff. I'm just wanting a lot right now, guys. So just trying to do what I can. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more. I will see you guys next time.